Well, there's a number of factors here. Firstly, Chinese authorities were most likely being concerned about the rapid inflow of capital that was coming into the yuan and really playing for further appreciation of the currency. And actually what we saw at the beginning of the year is a lot of structured products, for instance, being put on, playing for appreciation of the CNY through the CNH. At the same time, China, I guess there are concerns about economic growth domestically. I think there was concerns that the pace of appreciation might have been seen to be too rapid. And, you know, what China wants to instill here is two-way risk. They want to be a two-way market. They don't want to be seen as a one-way currency here. And secondly, more volatility, that there needs to be some volatility in the currency from a point of view that it becomes a more tradable and a two-way risk currency. And partly as well, it could be a precursor to a band widening. And this in a sense, if you have a band widening, you do anyway want to have a bit of two-way risk, because otherwise the currency would just go to the stronger end of the band. I don't think the band widening itself will. In fact, this has been anticipated for a long time. The question has always been timing, and perhaps it's a surprise they haven't done it until now. So it could happen very soon. Perhaps the bigger concern for emerging markets is whether this depreciation of the yuan, of the RMB, really perhaps reflects some greater worries about the Chinese economy that we don't really know about. And I think that's what's creating a little bit of nervousness, not just across emerging markets, but also in other markets. I don't think this reflects necessarily a significant increase in concerns about China. I think China is slowing down. We all know that growth, in our view, will probably be around 7.2% this year, which is still okay. It's still relatively healthy. But at the same time, China doesn't want to have this one-way bet currency. And I think they want to liberalize the currency. They want to allow greater capital inflows and outflows. They want the currency to be more freely trading in as much as it can. And part of this involves what the plan they're doing now. Now, I don't think also that this means that this depreciation will be a multi-month thing. I think ultimately it will appreciate by the end of this year. Well, our forecast is 6 against the US dollar, so we still see a rebound in the yuan as we go through the coming months. Near term, however, I think there are still some downside risks to the currency.